Hello everybody, it's time for the annual State of the Appliances for 2026. Start out with the 82 GE side-by-side, still here, still working perfectly. 1977 Kenmore gas dryer, still here, still working perfectly, no issues at all. The mid-2000s Kenmore freezer, and then the 82 GE just comes on to say hi. So this is still working just fine. Needs to be defrosted pretty soon. It is rusted out at the bottom, but other than that, functional, no issues. 1979 Maytag A106. Still here, still working perfectly. No issues at all in 2025. The 2022 GE refrigerator. So far so good. Hope it continues. 2021 Magic Chef microwave. Still here. Hadn't had any issues out of it. The Ninja Foodie. Still here, still working great. Used it every day in 2025. Probably will continue the same in 2026. Now the 2020 GE dishwasher, that's a different story. As you recall, late October 2025, the drain valve solenoid failed because the timer shorted out and kept the drain solenoid all the time till it overheated and melted and the machine would no longer drain. So replaced both of those parts, up and running. Haven't had any more issues since. The 1980s, late 80s, maybe early 90s. Montgomery Ward by Tappan garbage disposal. Still here, still working great. Now in another video I have had a non-appliance related repair. It's a plumbing repair. That drain is leaking. That ring corroded through and split and would no longer make a tight seal, so had water dripping all night, so that was a fun mess to clean up. And then we get to the 1988 Montgomery Ward by Tappan gas range. Still here, still working just fine, no issues. Its appearance has seen better days, but completely functional and cooks some good meals every day. Well, pardon the mess. Somewhere buried under this pile of vintage Christmas lights is the 2003 Maytag Performa. Just had a wash video on this one the other day, so we all know it is still working just fine and dandy. And we'll end up out here in the workshop. The 1988 Magic Chef is still out here, serving a good purpose. Whether it's boiling water for my Christmas light repairs or making my New Year's Eve nachos. So far, it is doing okay. Just got to keep an eye on that stir. But as I had mentioned in my New Year's Eve video, I've got these spindles. I'm going to replace it. I bought two just so I'd have an extra one. That's what the stirrer fan rides on. So hopefully sometime this year I can get that done and make this even more reliable. So once again, 2026 State of the Appliances. Thank you for watching.